I'm a chiropractor. And why in the world would a chiropractor talk to people about how to eat well? Well, that's what we get to dig into in this episode of our Health Fundamentals video series. Remember, our health fundamentals are five. They are sleeping well, moving well, eating well, focusing well, and breathing well. And the eating topic is the one that people love to talk about the most. We're hardwired for that. We are absolutely hardwired to think about food as often as we can. So when we look at how to eat well, we have to think about it through all these different lenses. The importance of chiropractic in eating is simple. When we are subluxated, we lose function. Okay? Don't know what function that might be, but it absolutely could be digestive function. And we see digestive function problems improve all the time with chiropractic. In fact, it's one of the key reasons that people bring their infants to me because they're having digestive issues. But it also shows up across the population in things like acid reflux, constipation or diarrhea, and those things oftentimes are termed irritable bowel, along with many other digestive system issues that might pop up. Now, when we look at recovery from these, it's fun to talk about a few stories. So the number one case that I remember from my entire time as a chiropractic intern while I was going through chiropractic school is I was interning with Dr. Spicer up in Bloomington, Minnesota, and she had a little one brought to her, 8-month-old child whose parents said that he wasn't having bowel movements for 8 days straight. He would go 8 days between bowel movements, and then it was very difficult and painful and not a happy kid, not a happy family. She did her assessment, found subluxation, adjusted the subluxation, and before he left the office, he had filled his diaper. When they came back for their follow-up visit, they were saying, oh my goodness, he's gone to the bathroom so many times and everything is going great and he's much happier. He's sleeping. We're sleeping. It restored that family's peace, I'll tell you that. And we have many other stories as well. We have people in our practice day to day who oftentimes haven't even told me about their digestive issues until they get better. So it's one of the most common things that we see improvement with, and that's why I love talking about digestive system health, along with how we eat and how we need to think about structuring our eating habits. I'm Dr. Chris Grier. Make sure that your nervous system is working well so that your function works well and so that you can digest and utilize that healthy food that you're providing yourself. Enjoy your day.